Thanks for watching. I'm Rob Alvarado with Wayzata Marine on Lake Minnetonka. I'm standing on a Robalo R230, which is a great combination of a day cruiser, luxury bow rider, and it's even got some fishing components. Why don't you take a look at some of the features that we like. So the Robalo R230 is a great day boat. To get into the boat from the transom, we have this safe entryway that is easy to get in. We have a foldable bench seat here. I'm using the carry-on cooler as my footrest right here, which is pretty comfy. And then off to my left, we have what could be a live well, what could be a cooler, or even a garbage can. So riding an R230 is great because you got the steering wheel on the center console, so the boat is balanced really well. And behind that, we've got these dual bucket seats, which is a bench, which is a combined bench, and they've got bolsters on them, so you can either sit or stand when you're riding around. There's our screen, which is our Simrad, and that gives us our navigation and our instrumentation data. Wireless cell phone charger. We've got a really great hardtop up here, which is going to be awesome for shade. There's a little bit of storage in the hardtop as well. And because this has some fishing features, there's rod holders all over the place. So I got them on the back of our bench seat here. We've got some rocket launchers up on the hardtop, and even these really cool LED spreader lights. The Robalo R230 is a great bow rider for Lake Minnetonka, and here's a few reasons why. First of all of the seats up here are comfortable. We have this seat back, which is removable. If you remove these seat backs here, and you take these cushions off, that turns this boat, the bow of the boat, into a casting platform. You can also get on the boat easily from the bow. There is a trolling motor option for this boat, which this boat is pre-wired for that. But underneath your storage, or your cushions here, is some great storage. We've got pneumatic struts, we've got seals. This is all finished off. There's drains in there. So this boat has a lot of storage in it. It also has a head compartment. So a 23-foot boat with a head compartment is a really neat feature because that keeps you on the water all day long. You don't have to go back to the marina if you don't want to. And this is also where our picnic table stows. That picnic table goes right here in the center, and that also drops down to increase the amount of surface area of your casting platform if you want to go fishing. Last thing is these safety rails. These safety rails are great. They go from the bow of the boat to the midship. So if you're walking around in the cockpit, you've got something to hold on to. If there's a lot of waves coming, you've got the hardtop to hold on to. So this is a very safe boat. It's very deep. It has a lot of seating. The Robalo R230 is full of features. This is a great cruiser for Lake Minnetonka. We can do everything on this boat. We can tube off the ski tow. We can entertain friends with all of the seating. We have some fishing features if we want to go catch some fish. You can spend the whole day on the lake. And on the busiest days, this boat cuts through the waves like the best boat you've ever ridden in. I'm Rob from Wayzata Marine. Come in, look at this boat. Let's test drive this on the water and have some fun.